Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your TV model, current Android version, and available storage so the update can install smoothly. Once done, back up your apps and settings to cloud or USB. This protects you if something goes wrong. Make sure the TV is on a stable Wi-Fi network and plugged into power to prevent interruption. Now navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, About, and tap Check for System Update to start the official over-the-air process. If the OTA is unavailable, you can sideload a vendor update, enable developer options, and turn on ADB debugging so your PC can communicate with the TV. Next, download the exact OTA package for your model and copy it to a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive, or prepare ADB sideload from your computer. Connect via USB or ADB over network, run the install command, and monitor the transfer. Make sure you use the matching build to avoid compatibility issues during the middle of installation. After installation begins, let the TV complete the process and reboot. Interrupting power can brick the device. Once it restarts, go to Settings right arrow about to confirm the new Android version, then restore your backups and update apps from the Play Store. If you encounter unstable behavior or boot loops, clear the system cache first. If that fails, perform a factory reset using your saved backup. Keeping a recent backup makes rollback or recovery straightforward if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.